this, the first match of the knockout round, and both sides arriving with plenty of passion. On commentary duty, John Champion and Jim Beglin. And the stadium comes to life as we hear the strains of the UEFA Champions League anthem. It is knockout football from here on in.
Yes, there's no doubt that players from both sides will be going all out for the win at this stage. They simply have to.
And here are the starting lineups. Away we go then. Chance! No, it's been picked off.
His awareness was found wanting there. The whole stadium could see that the way to go was wide.
Damian. PK. Here's Apolai. Now the chance! From way out. The first effort on goal.
Look, it's not all about shooting from range. They found it quite difficult to do that. They've got to get some composure in their play.
Now Sergi Gomez. Marcel Schmelzer. Damian. It's on for him. And he plays it to the keeper. Here's Apolai. Pedro. Can he now find a finish? Romulo. Great chance for the counter. And the offside flag is up. Now Messi, danger not cleared.
Oh, that was such a good chance.
Quarter of an hour gone in the first half. Marcel Schmelzer. Damian. PK. Now through to Pedro. Caught offside. So there'll be no goal to put them in front here. Marcel Schmelzer. La. Now through to Pedro. This could be interesting. Now he's ready for a shot. He scores! 1-0.
I wish I'd played with somebody like that. Just give him the ball and let him go on a run. What quality! Absolutely wonderful.
A fine goal, a real delight to watch. are the first to strike.
Well, that's their campaign well and truly up and running now.
Pedro. Damian. And he chooses the option of the back pass. Marcel Schmelzer. Lahm. Flores. Pedro. And suddenly the defence is on the back foot. It's come through to him. Could be a chance now. And he'll drive it here.
Well, once the keeper lost control of that, it could have gone either way, but it was a good reaction from the defender.
Lewandowski. Romulo. He takes a shot. Good strike, but straight at the keeper.
Well, it turned out to be a decent save, although I'm not sure how much the keeper knew about it, even if he was well positioned.
Now Pedro. It was a good ball in.
And there's no doubt about that. That ball through was class, and it really warranted a finish to match.
Afellay. It's a good block. Stout defending. Wallace makes the interception. Piqué. Cut out in a promising position. The ball is with Pedro. A chance! Flags up, just when there was a chance of an equaliser.
And that was just fractionally offside.
Booted to safety. And he shoots from there. Oh, well saved.
Well, the last line of defence came to the rescue when the lines in front weren't looking too clever. Good stop.
Wallace. And that's been intercepted. Now Jonathan Dos Santos. The linesman's kept his flag down. That's a corner kick for Barcelona. A ball in. Oh, no room for any argument there. Into touch it goes. He knocks it in. It's cleared. On his head. And the keeper's there to claim it. Lewandowski. They're off on the counter. He crosses it in. And the cross met firmly. There goes the whistle, and it's half-time.
Plenty of highlights, loads of talking points from that first half. One side seemed to be in control for long periods, but we'll have to wait and see if that continues after the restart.
Here we go then, the second half. Can they pass home their advantage? It's opened up nicely for him, and he'll get the shot away here. Afellay. Messi. Here's Piqué. The flag stays down. Pedro's there. They've done it! And how vital might that be for Barcelona? He escaped the shackles and finished very well.
Yeah, defensively they thought they had him where they wanted him, but he's forever on his toes and he showed terrific movement to manufacture some space and score.
They kick off with parity restored.
Yeah, in a game like this, every chance is vital, but they're back on level terms.
Possibility for a shot, and he makes absolutely no mistake. They have the all-important lead. He escaped the shackles and finished very well.
And it looked as if he had no room to try and engineer a chance there, and yet his strength and desire came through. It's a very well-worked finish.
They've got a precious 1-goal lead.
Oh look, it's lovely having a player with such ability in your side. He's always capable of coming up with something important, and he's done it again.
Good footwork, creating the counter-attack. Another play it goes for throw. Nice ball through. It's through. Puts it away. They've most definitely hit their stride now. He benefited from a slide rule pass.
It takes a good understanding of pass and move to get that right, and these two players are very much on the same wavelength.
What a way to complete a hat-trick.
Oh, this has been an immense contribution from one player. He's been just about unplayable. The irresistible force today.
They now lead by 2.
Well, they've got themselves into such a good position now with a 2-goal cushion. I wouldn't like to be in their dressing room if they let this one slip.
No, that won't be finding its target. Lewandowski. Marcel Schmelzer. 15 minutes into the second half. Here's Apolai. Here's Piqué. Here's a cross. Messi! Keeper got his hand to it. Pedro. Messi! Keeper claims it.
He was in such a great position in front of goal, and you'd expect him to score from there, but somehow he's missed it.
The ball's with Jonathan Dos Santos. Piqué. Picked off there. And Piqué wants to get this forward. He's got in. Tries to slide it past the defence. Oh, flag up. Just offside then. He'd straight off the last man. The referee's assistant pretty alert. Damian. Romulo, creator of 1 goal already. There's Piqué. Got it. Alexis Sanchez. Onside. Alexis Sanchez.
Just how wasteful was that?
Flores. We've had half an hour of this second half. Now a chance for a cross. Another one. They lead by 3, and that may just about be that. A gem of a cross and a straightforward header.
Well, there was only going to be one player getting to that because he attacked it with so much aggression and commitment. Tremendous play.
They now enjoy a 3-goal lead. Damian. plays this forward. Damian. Afellay. Here's Afellay. He can take the shot on here.
But just how wasteful was that?
Here's Piqué. Oh, that's a vital block. Deflected out off the defender. Ball in. Piqué. Back it goes. Wallace. That's clearly not what was intended. That'll be a throw-in. Damian. He's got in. The pass cut out. Wallace pumps it forward. A chance. He's on his way. Oh, yet another goal. They really have taken them apart now. They have this game in their hands now. No, it's been cut out. There's the final whistle, signalling the end of 90 minutes. We've witnessed a truly breathtaking masterclass by the forwards, tormenting the opposition defence as they displayed their full array of attacking talent. So many thanks to Jim Beglin, and that is all we have time for this evening.